How to fix Uber Eats app not working issue. Well, whether you're using Uber Eats on the app or on the web browser, there are certain things you need to do before you can fix the issue. So if you're using the app already, force close the application and then reopen it. That should fix the issue. Also, check your internet connection, try and switch between your available networks to make sure it is not an ISP issue. Visit the App Store or Play Store and update your application Uber Eats app to the latest version. Now, if there is no any update available, first restart your phone and see if it fixes the glitch or the bug. If it does not, then you might as well reinstall the application. Now on Android device, you have the option of clearing the cache and data. If you're using iOS, you can head into settings, head into general, head into iPhone storage and find the Uber Eats application. You can use the search bar to do so. Then once you search it, what you want to do next is open up Uber Eats, offload the app. If that doesn't help, reinstall the app. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.